Hey everybody, how you doing? Jeff, Shop Talk. Excited, very excited today to talk about a new product we got, the CD3794 MegaFlex. Not only does this product have soft silicone optics, also they have UV stabilization in it so they won't yellow, it actually can bend up to 120 degrees. Please don't bend it more than 120 degrees. 120 degrees, that's a big angle. You should return your car if it's more than 120 degrees. 120 degrees for off-axis lighting, your rear view mirror light, your cowling, your front quarter panel, your push bumper, the back of your vehicle. There's so many unique radius in these new stylish vehicles that this MegaFlex can fit pretty much everyone. You got to drill one hole, there's peel and stick mount, and if you want to, and you want a straight directional, we also have a hard bezel. So really, what makes this MegaFlex different than anything that's on the market? I mean, it's got soft optics, right? But look at that. Look what I can do. I can bend and place it to any radius of the vehicle. Look at that. Light output becomes off-axis, increasing the diameter. You don't have to worry about these funky optics. Just bend the piece around the radius and you've got lighting there. Up to, 120 degrees of bend. That's way past any competitor in the market. Look at that. Just keep doing that. I do that all day long. Bang, bang. My fingers are getting tired of so much MegaFlexing happening. Look at that. Single hole, you bend it, you mount it, and you go. You don't have to worry about that. It's all squishy, squishy. And it's very bright, actually. You shouldn't stare directly at it. For more information about our MegaFlex, the CD3794, visit our website, code 3, ESG.com. The Mustachio! The Chew of Fu Manchu, the Groucho Marx, the Tom Selleck, the Chin Strap,